Hey guys, my name is Nate and this is my brother Steven. Together we are Wingman Merch.
Thanks for checking out our video. We put these up about a month after we shoot them. If you'd like to catch any of these videos live, check out our Facebook page. The link is in the description.
We're just going to do a short introduction of who we are and what this group is and touch on some topics today. But really we just wanted to show our faces, say hello, and let you know our vision. All right, so I'll start. My name is Nate Hibbert. Been doing graphic design for about 5 years professionally, I guess 6 years now, since it's 2018. And my last job was working for a t-shirt company, doing the art there as their head graphic designer. While I was working there, I got approved to sell on merch, started putting a lot of time into merch, and now I'm doing this full-time. So I know t-shirt business pretty well, I know t-shirt art pretty well. So that's kind of my background and why I'm all in on merch nowadays. Big part of that is thanks to my brother.
Oh.
So I'll let him introduce himself.
What's going on, guys? Nathaniel touched on a lot of that. I'm kind of the second half of the business. I'm more of, I guess, slightly marketing, but more research side and digging in and trying to get Nathaniel's art to sell. I've been selling online for 10 years. I've been selling used, new, retail arbitrage, private label now is a big part of my business. But when Nathaniel was putting up shirts and having some success, and a lot of his shirts weren't selling, I was looking to see why some were selling more than others. He was more focused on the art and saying, oh, the art is actually driving the traffic. And I said, I don't think so. So from that and the last year of just digging into how Amazon ranks shirts and now merch especially, we've learned a ton. So in helping people, we've mostly been helping people one-on-one. Now we want to see if we can help groups of people. That's the kind of the whole idea of starting this group, to see how many people we can help. Just easier on us instead of opening up 50 single messages with different people to try to group everybody together to try to help everybody launch your merch business. And Nathaniel's more on a hands-off now, because he was doing all the art, and now he has artists working for him. I have people working for me, so it is almost like a true business now, where we don't do much of the day-to-day, but we do like the projections and then seeing what the best way to move forward is.
Yeah, and we're learning a ton now that I used to do art. It used to take me like 15 hours a day to fill my account and 2 others. I don't even remember how many uploads I was doing, but all the art was just killing me because of the way I was doing art and just because of the amount that I was trying to get out. So we've got a good group of VAs that help me with art now. So that is a huge time saver and really allows us to look at merch for what it is, instead of just trying to do that daily struggle of get these shirts up, try to figure out keywords, all that stuff. We've got systems in place that we're super happy with, that we want to open up to other people so they can have the same success that we're having, but also the information side that we're learning constantly, just like poking around in the merch account, seeing what's new, seeing what we can break, seeing what Amazon is changing on us. And that's kind of the reason that we want to make this free, is because of how much Amazon is changing. We could tell you something and then the next week it not be true, so it's kind of weird to charge for that information. So we want to keep everything, as far as the information side goes, free, and then we want to help you guys build systems that fit your needs. And we'll get much more into detail in what we're offering and how it's all going to shake down in the upcoming weeks. But we just wanted to jump on and say hello, tell you our ideas, let you know that this is just going to be a mostly informational group, where we want to interact with you guys and want to know what kind of questions the community is having. And just have our little corner of the merch community. So,
and we're planning on going live every Monday.
Yep.
This was almost going to be a live, but due to technical issues, we have to record this now to try to at least get it out on Monday, because we said we were going to start being active on Monday. But before we really dig into it, we want to just address trademark, because that's pretty much the thing that's going to get you suspended or banned from the platform. So we are not lawyers. We don't really address even a lot of trademark issues. Nathaniel's going to show a site that we check a lot of things against, and there's pretty much like legal and illegal, and then Amazon's way of thinking about it. So we can kind of address those maybe in a different video, but we just want to harp on, before you upload anything, before you even take our advice, do your own research on Trademark, do your own research on, is Amazon actually going to accept this? Because we can't really help you with that side of it. As far as like artwork, keywords, marketing, all the stuff that is running a business, we can help you with that. But the legal side of it, we're not really going to address. So we want to just set a foundation and then build from there. So you're not going, oh, I need to talk to a lawyer. That's not us.
Yeah, there's so much gray area in Amazon that instead of trying to give you guys a bunch of like things to do, we just want to be kind of hands off with that. Because even our system, we still get shirts that are rejected. We're like, it makes no sense. But because the human error factor in Amazon just trying to protect itself so much, there's a lot of weird things that they've got to do. So we call that the gray area. We stay far away from the gray area, and we still get shirts that get rejected. So it's not a perfect system. I don't want to drag that over. I'm going to share screen and just show you the trademark electronic search system. It's called TESS. If you just Google search TESS, it's the first thing that's going to pop up.
And we can put this link in the group.
Oh yeah, I'll put the link under this video. So you've got to go here to basic word search, and this is where you're going to be searching for whatever you are trying to look up. I don't even know how deep to go into that, but that's probably all I'm going to say. If you guys want to know,
go more in depth on another video after this.
Yeah,
we just want to kind of briefly
show you the way that we do it. We do use this system if we have something that we want to check. So this is where we go, and again, we'll put this link in the description of this video or the comments or whatever it is. But just to touch on Amazon's awesome trademark, it's all over the place. Even shirts that I have up and live that I'm trying to put on like sweatshirts or something, they'll get denied, and it's just very confusing. So Steven wanted to point that out first.
Yeah, and then if you just want to show the question and answers, because here's another, like, if you're just starting, things to look at, frequently asked questions on Amazon.
I can put this link in there too, but this is the FAQ. This does get updated every once in a while, so definitely check this if you have questions, because there's a lot of good answers on here. But yeah, I don't know what else you want to say about that.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
I just want to point them in that direction. We almost want to hit everybody at different tiers. So obviously in the beginning, we want to make sure at least the legal side and the question side of that is taken care of. If you're at 10 all the way up to being able to sell thousands of shirts a week, we definitely have ways to address all that. But we want to get this out of the way. It almost feels like this is the maintenance before we can really start digging into things. On Amazon now, due to the freeze last month, and kind of what Amazon is projecting on doing, the marketplace is kind of a mess right now. So we know that. A lot of other groups are addressing that. We don't really speculate on what they're going to do. We just see what they're doing and then kind of react to that on a daily basis. So right now they're hiding a lot of BSRs. There is talk that they might take the BSRs away. Doesn't really affect us either way. They're hiding some now. So what we're doing with that information is not running any ads, because even if you're running ads and they're showing up and people can click on them, sometimes it's hiding it even inside the listing where you can't purchase that shirt anyway. It says like,
it just doesn't say anything. There's no buttons there to choose like the size and color and stuff like that. So it will show the shirt, it will show the...
Or available soon is what I was going to say. Yeah. It's almost like when Amazon says available soon. Right. So you'll be paying for that ad because they're clicking on it and getting sent to a landing page, but they can't order it. So it's costing you money from doing that. So we've stopped running all ads, and now we're just trying to see, okay, what is Amazon going to do and how do we adapt to those situations? So again, this video is more of an intro video. We kind of went longer than we wanted to go anyway. But we just want to, again, address a lot of what's happening now, set a base so we can start digging in quicker.
Yeah, so we're going to try and go live every Monday, and that's really the only thing that we have like scheduled every week. But we know...
and we're going to be a lot more active in there.
Yeah.
Like trying to daily have some type of activity.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We might only be going live on Monday, but there should still be content in that group. Even little updates that we're finding today. I'll probably post some stuff after this video, and every day just putting little nuggets in there. So
most of my business is private label. Nathaniel's almost 100% merch now. I help out a lot more than I thought I was. So we want to do this group together and just have fun almost over everything, because last year was just a problematic mess. And we want to burn that year and start over fresh.
Yeah, here's the 2018. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them even just in the group or in the comments of this video. We'll definitely get back with you guys, and just we'll be in touch.
Thanks for being here. This thing's going to start getting rocking very soon.
All right, thanks, guys.